right, let's go. Boom. Another day. Another day. Another trade. Um. Hold up. Boom. Boom. It's a little late today, guys. 9:21. So let's get on the charts. Make this bias real quick. Lock in. I even got DoorDash pulling up. I had to take my roommate to the airport this morning, so I had to get up early. Is there anything else I need to check? News. Check news. And then I need to open up my props. MNQ. MNQ. Cool. So news, 8:30 yellow, 10 a.m. we got some other news coming out. Cool. Easy. Boom. DoorDash is here. Let me go grab it. Chick-fil-A, yeah. I just need the straw for the coffee. That's it. Ooh, that's good. All right, lock in. Daily. Is this a gap? Very small gap. We did not touch it. Daily over here. Is there any SMTs going on? No. We disrespected this gap. Didn't touch in this one. Now we're rotating back up. 4 hour, 4 hour. 5 minutes till open. Right now, I think we're obviously bullish, but we're not really reacting off of any key level right now, but I think it's pretty clear in the market that we're bullish. We do have a bullish 4 hour here. On the 1 hour. Technically with these low time frame lows, we're gonna have an SMT here. So let me just mark that out real quick. SMT right there. For now, maybe I'll get rid of it in a second. But technically we didn't really rebalance up off this. We almost did, but we didn't. Then we created another SMT at this low right here with these right here. So that's probably a better one to just highlight. It's more recent. SMT at these lows. Didn't get another one. 30 minute, but we're not reacting off any gaps. We're just having full, just like regular bullish structure. In fact, we actually inverse this 1 hour gap that we're technically inside of right now. We're pushing out of it, but we're still inside of it. Same thing on ES, staggered highs. All right, which one of these is, where's London highs? London highs above us. London lows too. We have a lot of liquidity here. Asia lows down here. Past this SMT. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so SMT from this low all the way here. Cool. All right. S&T at the London lows. We inverse this hourly 30-minute. It's a 15-minute gap too. Yep. We're gonna see what we do here. 3 minutes till open. Okay. So what do we need to respect for me to be bearish? Because there's no gap here. There's an inversion here. Technically, I guess this would be a 15-minute order block. 30-minute. I guess right here. There is this 30-minute order block if we reject off of it. Relative equal highs here. So an S&T. Okay, so we're about to open up. We're putting in an S&T at this high right here. I just need to see how we open, because if we're gonna respect this 30-minute order block or not. If we do, we're not. It looks like we're gonna close up here. We're looking bullish, just straight up. All right, let me not be too messy. I'm tripping. About a minute to open. Oops. Yeah, that 4-hour gap is pretty low down there. We're making S&Ts at the lows. Asia lows. Reacted up. Put in London highs. Put in London lows. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, these are also previous day highs up here. Market open. I'm gonna wait and see what we do. 30-minute did not respect this order block. Oh, we pushed up. We just took out London highs. Okay, no S&T here. Yeah. Okay, so we swept London highs. What chart is this? 5 minute. Go back to 5 minute. 15 minute. Make this simple to look at. Okay, so these are the same highs. Yeah, we're just gonna want to sit on this and see how strong this bullish reaction really is. Just because right now, I mean, we're SMTing these highs. Yeah, I mean, with this dip pre-market, maybe could have got in, but I probably wouldn't get in right here just to see how it goes, to be honest. Could, but let's see. Yeah, we're just pushing up right now. Yeah, it's early though. It's only 4 minutes in the market open. I mean, it's possible to end up looking for a short here, but nothing crazy. Oh, I didn't even peep that we already came down into this 4 hour. Yeah, super bullish. Oh, I definitely, if I seen this 4 hour, I might have taken it long right here. Like right in the market open for these previous day highs. Yeah, if we're rejecting from a 4 hour gap, then that only makes sense. I didn't peep that. I missed that. Oh well. So right now we're pushing up off this 4 hour. We took out previous day highs on NASDAQ. On ES we did not. Probably wouldn't want to take a short here. I mean, maybe, depending on how the market continues to set up, but just to keep it simple, I'm biased is just gonna remain bullish for now. Once the market starts showing me something really good. Besides that, how are you guys doing today? Feeling blessed? Blessed that God gives me another opportunity to trade on the market once again and capitalize on the profits that there is to be made. Shout out to Chipotle. I got hella your napkins in my crib. Okay. So we're rejecting this high. Hard. Yeah, it's a little too early. I see we're rejecting here, and technically we did inverse this gap, but there's not really a good target for me right now. I mean, there's London lows, but there's not really enough liquidity that kind of stops us from going higher. I wouldn't call these highs a protected high yet. I wouldn't say this is protected at all, actually. Let's mark this out. So we took out London high, and we are SMTing out this high over here. Off previous day high. Cool. Time is it? 9:38. Yeah, I mean, at 9:45 we'll put in this 15-minute gap. In here, there's no low for ES, so technically this isn't an SMT. Even though I was saying I'm going to be bullish, but if we're going to SMT these highs, even if we inverse this gap here, I mean, I'm not just going to take any long. We don't really come back down to any major liquidity. We just make a 5-minute doji. We come back down to this 1-minute gap. So, and now we're SMTing these highs, these lower time frame highs right here. Is it 9:45 yet? 9:40. Do you have this 5-minute gap here? I might take this down to the 5-minute. Wow, my heart is kind of beating fast. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm more awake today. Wow, take some deep breaths. I could feel my heart like doof 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 doof. Yo. All right, we don't inverse. Oh shit. Respect this 1 minute. Are we creating another SMT? like equal highs. 865. 865, yeah, so equal highs. Time is it? 9:42. 15 minutes about to open. 30-minute. Okay, so no SMT. We're gonna take out these next highs on NASDAQ. ES looks like it's reaching for previous day highs. Damn, I guess you could have just punched in along here. Damn. Yeah, super strong bullish trend, 1 minute inversion, just punch that hoe and you would have hit. Damn, alright. Time is it? 9:45. 15 minutes gonna close super high. And this next 15-minute candle is also gonna be the last 15 minute. So ES now took out previous day highs. Wow, I mean, damn. We are just ripping up. Guess I'm just hunting for a retracement at this point. Unless 10 a.m. gives us nice manipulation down. Then that might be straight. But this 15-minute candle just opened. We're pushing higher already. Let's throw this right here. Yeah. Even though ES is coming for this high. Yeah, well, maybe. Yeah, I mean, but this is not something I would take. This is just too little PA for me. I mean, yeah, there's just not enough. There's a 1 minute inversion here. That's all. with a high pool, high draw, or like withdraw above. I mean, it was super, like, it was an important draw, but actually, this is kind of what I want to lean into as far as discretion, because I mean, we're direct rejecting off of a 4-hour gap, rotating up, boom. Yeah, but if we had an SMT here, I would have took that hoe, but we didn't have an SMT, so not really. Just didn't end up taking it. It is what it is. Um, and we have this 15-minute all the way down here. It's kind of just like, what's next? Ooh, this is where there is a big gap in price to the left. Not on the 4-hour, but on the 1-hour there is. On the daily, this is kind of like just red territory. And we've expanded up a lot. We are making an SMT at the highs here as of now, but we'll see what happens. Poking into this 3-minute here. Test the waters. We have a 5-minute gap below down here. 15-minute is all the way down. If you keep hunting, there's that 4-hour that we filled before with the London lows in Asia. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the fact that I didn't get in any of these longs, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, SMT at the low made with Asian lows, London lows below, fucking 4-hour gap, push up. Anyways. Unless we're gonna push on off of these gaps that are lower than the 5-minute. Oh, we did just put in another 5-minute right here. 15-minute, there's still 10 minutes for that. Right, let me make sure. Yeah, this is from the high over here. And get rid of this. NAM's gonna open up soon. We'll see what happens here. If we can build some liquidity, 10 a.m. open high, I'm taking that short for sure. But you know, everything depends. Everything depends. We'll see. We'll see. SMT at the highs. might be a short one. No, that's too small. That's too little. Yeah, I know we want to take that gap, but I'm a wait. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna sit on it. Let's see if we go higher. We are actively S&T in these highs. Whoa. Oh no, we're gonna take it out. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah. So we're in a 5-minute gap right now. Let's see how far down ES comes. Anytime it hits like 950, I'm automatically like trying to step back to wait for this 10 a.m. manipulation, because getting in any trade like 9:55. I mean, I say that. I mean, I would get in trade 9:55 honestly, but I'd recommend against it. What's the next target up here for NASDAQ? I don't know. Ten a.m. news too. So we're about to get a bunch of news. We're about to put this 15-minute gap in, which is going to look a lot better than this 5-minute that we had. But, I mean, we did just react heavily off this 5-minute. So let's see where the market's really trying to go. nailed it. Open sesame. Let's fucking go flex on him. Fucking. Bah! Bah! Oh. Alright, let's go. We're SMT in these highs. 10 a.m. is about to open up. We're going to be looking sweet. Yes, is running for these 4-hour highs. And then on ES, there's a 4-hour gap here. This is where we SMT'd previously. Let's see what we do here. We are actively SMTing these highs. 10 a.m. open. We go higher. You can see out the corner of my eye we're rejecting. Let me just fix this SMT real quick. We just have a high time frame SMT in place. Took out some more buy side liquidity. So honestly, what I'm looking for is this 15-minute gap here. If we close a 15-minute here, then I'd be looking for that, I think. Just looking for a retracement to a gap. Because I don't think after such heavy, like, pushes up, I don't think, I mean, maybe we'll just keep going, but let's see. If we come like sweep the lows, SMT at the lows in a gap, then I'd be looking for higher price, but Mm. We're starting to get a rejection here. Mm. I honestly just don't really like how Price is delivering for shorts. But maybe we'll manipulate up from here. Like 30-second SMT here or some shit. Market's moving really slow right now. Let's see if we're gonna just like react up, manipulate these highs and just crash now, or if we're just gonna slowly come down and then manipulate down here. That'll be fire. And that might be heat. Super wicks on the 3-minute. Just being patient. Price is just building in this area. We tapped in this 5 minute once, twice. Created this low. Wow, yeah, we're just generating at the highs and at the lows. And for ES, this looks clean. Especially on the 1 minute, because we S&T'd these lows. So that should just look super clean. We're going down towards these lows. So technically this one took it out low, 531.75. 532, yeah, so technically, yeah. Okay, let's see. We retrace to this 5 minute gap one more time. SMT. Equal lows on ES. Oh, my arm. Yeah, I mean, it looks like NASDAQ wants to go take out this 15 minute gap, but it just can't get high at all. Like, can't get back up here. I want to get in this, but the thing is, like, this is such a low R trade, yeah. So cool. So we retrace into a 15-minute gap. We had an SMT at the lows right here. The 15-minute just opened up. So the 15-minute low, SMT at the lows, poke into a 15-minute gap. There's like 30-second break of structure here. It's not something I would take. Yeah. No entry here for me. We did SMT's highs on the 1 minute. Change in the state. We close weird. Wow. Wick, wick, wick. Wow.
Order filled.
I'm in that. Oh shit, I should have waited. should reject up here, but I did get in this a little early, I can't lie. This should be our protected low though, so I'm just hoping we don't come down to sweep this out, honestly. But if we do, I just gotta take that L. Oh, we're pushing down there.
Order filled.
Oh. Took me right out there. Yeah, I got in that mad early. Now this SMT just gets bigger. Still SMT at the lows here. See if we get an inversion out of this one. Two-minute gaps getting put in. We're in that 15-minute gap. Or am I just taking L today? 10:25. I got greedy. Not gonna lie. This trade doesn't really. That trade I just took, I mean, the only thing here is just that there's a lot of low resistance liquidity. This was kind of a long wick area I already kind of expected us to reject off of with this high time frame SMT, because this isn't really a key level. This is just we took out highs and now we're at the top. ES took out this lower liquidity, so there's no more SMT at the lows anymore. We did have an SMT in place here. We tapped into a 15-minute gap. We had low resistance above us, but we didn't really have a target besides like these highs, which are just kind of like 15-minute or, you know, hourly highs. Not the strongest draw, to be honest. And now that we're just dumping, ripping ass, I don't think there's much of a trade for me to catch. I think the trade today was taking one of these discretionarily to a level of liquidity, like off the open to the London highs or here to previous day highs would have been decent. But see what happens here. There's not really an SMT here. We are inverting this gap though on the 2-minute. Well, the macro candles are opening up right now. So I want to get in a trade at 10:30. I really don't, honestly. Would you have 10:30 open right there? But I don't know. I still kind of want this low resistance up here. We're respecting OTE right here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in there. There's a 30-second inverse right there. break even. They're taking out these highs. I'm in at 5511. We are SMTing at these highs. But I'm gonna leave it. As we take out these levels, I'm just gonna start trailing my stop once we take out this high right here. I still think we will. I do have my stop at break even if we reverse all the way down here. No, we bursted with this with so much force. I'm gonna let it run a little bit. Oh, we're dojiing. Come on. I'm gonna let this trade do its thing. Starting to push back down. I'm going to just give us a chance. Oh gosh. We're pushing back down now. I move my stop under this low over here. I'm going to give this trade a little bit of room to just push. Because with this low resistance above us, I just don't think there's anything to push us down here. No reason. We are SMTing these highs though. Come on, NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ is slipping while ES isn't. Come on, push up. ES wants this high. So we're probably going to get one more push up and then I'm out. Oh, now we're pushing down. Oh, did I hold this shit too long, dude? Come on, just go up. Just go up from here. Do it for me, NASDAQ. Do it for me. Please. Over here, damn, begging them out of the market. Yo, I'm begging. Yo, let me give you fucking, come on. Oh my God, it didn't like that. Come on. My stop is at this low, so we're kind of coming down to it. Slowly, bro. This is such low resistance, bro. We can just take all this out in one sneeze. Oh, I want to give this room. Move my stop back down to break even. That's okay. If we go break even, that's fine. Oh my god, we're all going all the way back down. I'm gonna break even, actually. Yeah, market's gonna take what you let it, bro. That's okay, though. If we get stopped out break even, I'll take the L for the day. Oh, my bias is wrong.
Order filled.
Yeah, stop that at break even. I should have took that. Oh my god, what am I doing, bro? What am I doing on the market, bro? This might be ego of me, but I'm gonna take a short here. Yeah, I'm gonna take a short here.
Order filled.
On my alpha ticks, there's a 30-minute gap below. 3-minute inversion right here. We just SMT'd the highs. Sorry, I'm locked in. I didn't put it for you guys. 30-minute gap here. 3-minute. 3-minute inversion on this little gap right here. TP here. Fuck, I gotta piss, bro. Stop at a 1-to-1. Break even at this high. I took out that high, so it stops to break even. Come on, TP me so I can go take a piss. Come on. Don't edge me. Please don't edge me. Fucking get down there, bro. Get down. Fuck. I gotta piss. Come on, just go down and take that 30-minute gap out, bro. You know you want to. You know you want to. You know you want to. Come on. Come on, let's be real here. Let's be real here, NASDAQ. You know you want to. Don't reverse on me now. Two losses today. I might not be able to take it. Please. I need you to feed. Yo, please, please, just hit the TP. I gotta piss so bad, bro. Yo, you're edging me right now, market. NASDAQ. NQ, please, you're edging me. Yo, I'm talking all this shit and we're still not going, bro. Please, can we just deliver? Just like one little wick down, that's all I ask. Oh, wait, we're actually pushing up, bro. No way. Oh my god, and we're gonna reverse all the way against me. Holy fuck. What is going on right now? What is going on? Yo. It edged my fucking break even? Holy fuck. And now we're gonna go down? NASDAQ, you dirty dog. Oh my goodness, NASDAQ, you dirty dog. Oh, please. Please, like, this is not gonna be funny if we just go actually back up. Like, if we don't take out this 30-minute gap, I'm actually gonna cry. Now that, like, okay, maybe break even. Yeah, okay, haha, funny. We're gonna break even you twice. But, like, you're gonna edge my break even by one fucking tick. Look at this shit. And then you're gonna go up, please. Who the fuck are you fooling? Bro, just touch the 30-minute gap right now. Touch the butt. Just touch the butt. I know you want to. I know you want to. It's right there. Nemo in this hoe. Come on! Yo, I have to pee so bad. Like, I'm literally gonna piss on myself in this chair. Should I just close the trade? Should I just use the bathroom and not worry about it? No, I'm an emotional trader. I have to watch! Nah, but for real, I just want to like see this shit play out. What time is it? 10:53. Oh, this shit might not play out. We really just gonna chop around on my TP and just not take it? Nah, bro, we're taking that out. Sometimes you just gotta take a deep breath. We're taking that out. Oh, maybe not. I actually need to pee. I'm just gonna leave my stop loss there. I don't care. If I get stopped out break even, I don't give a fuck. Don't matter. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to this 30-minute gap. 10:55. We're respecting this 1 minute. We got some TV's highs. That's pretty sick. Maybe they're equal highs. 876. 876. Equal highs above. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna chill, follow my rules. I'm not gonna exit early unless we get to 11. I'll let this shit deliver and do kind of what makes sense here. This is a 30-second change in the state. respecting this gap too much. Now as we get close to 11, I'm just going to trail my stop. Put it right here at this high right here. Stops right here. Just because I want to let this deliver if it's going to hold. 1 minute inversion there. Inverse gap. Everything else makes us kind of look a little bullish though, not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm thinking 11 a.m. might open low into this gap. So I'm gonna hold this. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see right now. Okay, okay. Okay. John. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't know. After this, I was getting nervous. Like, look at that shit. Holy shit. I was break even right here. Holy fuck. Whew. It's one of those things. Gotta thank God. All right. So let's just recap what happened. Lock that in. First trade was up here. What did I like about this? Targets to the upside. I also entered here on the 30-second inversion, but I held that shit way too long, especially with the SMTs at the highs. I literally should have just closed out. I was like up a 1,000, so I would have had 400 still left or over on Top Step per account, which is just like you already had one loss for the day, and now you're trying to squeeze the profits and not take them where you can when you have runners. So this is literally my fault. Like the fact that I even here, let me pull these over. I'm looking at this right here. This right here is my fault. So this could have been up 400 for the day if I just closed out. Because can I turn my orders on? Where's the show executions button? I'm probably clicking right past it. Whatever. But this is the 30-second chart, so you can see where I got in. Because I got in right here on the 30-second. Stop at the low here. TP wherever the fuck up here. Even if I took TP right here, that's a 1 to 1.5 right there. So that's already what I got back plus a little bit to make sure I'm not in a losing day. Up here, I was up 1,000. And then floating here, I was up 1,000 something, 1,000 something, but I just wanted more. I wanted more. I wanted more. While we're actively SMTing these highs, it just doesn't make any sense to actually hold this. Like, not at all. It doesn't make any sense. I was just greedy. That's pretty much sums up that. After I get stopped out at break even, though, actually, let me pull that back. After I get stopped out here, break even, what do I see? Let me switch over to the other chart. So y'all can see PNLC. I'm not fucking capping. Oh, okay. Sorry. Top Step doesn't have a daily loss limit, so I was like, what? Did I accident? And then I seen that I put the position backwards. So I was like, yo, did I place a buy instead of a sell? I thought I was tweaking for a second. Nah, but this shit green. Alright, what did I see? 30-minute below. So I saw instantly we have a 30-minute fair value gap below. We just had a long wick to the top and rejected that high. Yes, we are in a 15-minute gap, but we closed pretty bearish. Well, actually, we made this super long wick and closed up here, so technically we weren't really that bearish, to be honest. However, we did have, honestly, like the main, you don't really need to trade off every single ICT concept. You only really need to pick a few, and once you find some shit you like, you just got to slap that hoe. So I seen an unfilled 30-minute below, so that's a big magnet on price for me. We had an SMT at the high, and then we had a 33-minute inversion. And this 3-minute inversion was clean, like a lot of displacement. Since I knew that I was being greedy at the highs, let's just turn this all the way down. I knew I was being greedy up here with the SMT and still looking for higher price action, even though I thought we were still going to go higher. So since we are now rejecting, we're confirming to me we're not going higher, or else we would have taken out all of these low resistance lows or low resistance highs up here. Since we're not bullish at all, and we made an SMT at this high, that means we have to be bearish. So we inversed not one 3-minute gap, but two 3-minute gaps, and we still had a good RR down to this 30-minute low right here. I just entered on the 3-minute and put my stop at a 1-to-1. This is backwards, but you get the point. Like this. Put my stop at a 1-to-1. Cool. So it's like halfway through the wick of this SMT, but we were already rejecting lower. As soon as we took out this high, break even. So break even at that high, and then we come within one very tiny tick of my stop loss at break even, and we end up still respecting it and hitting TP. So I'm grateful for that. That one, NASDAQ came and tickled my booty today a little bit. Just blew a gust of wind on it, just like they made me a little scared. I'm dead. But this is a really good start to these evals, because this is my first trade on this eval. So 1200, that's half of almost half of the whatever I need to get to, whatever it's called. On Top Step, I'm back at around 50K. So kind of neutral on the week for NASDAQ. That's gonna do it for me today, though. For sure. Relative equal highs up here. Oh, so we mean SMT at these lows too. I'm actually gonna keep that there just so I have this recording, so I'm gonna journal everything after this. But what is this over here? I mean, I don't want to give it all back, but nah. I wish you could have two charts on Top Step. I don't know why they don't let you do that. Nah, I feel like any trade here would just be gambling. So in reality, just so I can get the P&L for this video right. Oh, the camera's still on. Oh shit, everything's still on. Hold on, let me calculate this for y'all too then. 629.70 times 3. So I lost 1,800 on the day. And then on Alpha Futures, I made 1248 because on Alpha I only have 2 accounts. So I only have 2 accounts on Alpha. So technically I lost 3 accounts worth of 600 over here. Yeah, but I won't be able to import everything since one of them is Tradevate, one of them is Top Step, or not Tradevate, one of them's Alpha, one of them's Top Step. So what I'm gonna do instead is just keep the TradeZilla as my Top Step. Cool. Keep that in order. Yeah, because look at this one. This shit's bad, bro. Oh no, not this one. This one. Like, bro, I was maximum in profit 1267. Really? and I like let it all get liquidated to 11.14. Like, am I insane? Someone needs to just click for me. Not let that shit happen. Can't be doing that. Can't be doing that. Oh my god, bro. I just be wanting to trade. No cap. Like, once you start trading, then you just want to like just keep hitting that button. I just want to chase that dopamine, but I can't. You gotta cut yourself off. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the fucking smart ass thing and lock myself account or lock myself out. Even though it hurts to do so. Well, I'm just gonna lock myself out of New York session because I don't trade Asia or nothing like that. I don't want to accidentally do it till tomorrow. Same thing on this one. Just lock myself out. Remove the drawings. Don't worry about it. Tell yourself, market's gonna be here next week since it's Friday. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna be posting a weekly recap this weekend, of course. I'm uploading every day, so for the foreseeable future, you should see a video from me every day if you subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it. Leave anything down in the comments if you guys have anything to say. I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy y'all's weekend, guys. Everybody. Can't let nothing in this world stop you guys. You gotta run. Oh my god, I feel like I sound fake inspirational, but like still, literally. You gotta put your pride to the side and just do that shit. Lock in. I'm down 600 on Top Step. It is what it is. Next day. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna push these evals. I want to start risking more and risking a little bit heavier. So having this heavier risk is what I want because I want my win rate, if I'm taking good setups, should be really high or should be fairly high. So I should be hitting more wins than I lose. And I don't want to let that psychology get the best of me. Just because, I mean, at the end of the day, these are evaluations. Like, as much as I can say this and say that, it's the third week of December. So we have one and a half weeks of December left, pretty much. And I've been on the same eval. Well, I blew it all in one day. So I traded very conservatively, blew it all in one day on a mistake, and then restarted, and now we're still not really moving anywhere. So if we're gonna keep going back 500, 600, okay, cool. But I want to start making more. I want to start putting in these $1,200s, $1,500 days, so I can pass the account in 2 days, 3 days. So I'm not wasting time. Once I get these to XFAs, okay, cool. Take it slow. Take your setups. Get your winning days. Things like that. But if we're on an eval and I paid $50, $60, $70, or like $80 to $90 for the account, I need to just make it worth it. I need to start, building myself up, making profits, doing things like that. I don't have time. Well, I do have time. Like, I have all the time in the world. I'm not putting a time limit on it, but the purpose of a prop firm isn't to pass it slow. It's to pass it fast. So, sorry. I'm just yapping. Y'all have a great day. I just faked the outro, hit you all with a fake outro, and lock y'all in a cutscene. Have a good night, y'all.